Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with a new lesson, that is celebration time. CELEBRATION, celebration TIME time. So, what is celebration, children? Celebration means nothing but celebrating the special days like birthdays or anniversaries with your friends and family is called as celebration. Okay. So, what are the special days that we celebrate in our lives? Let's find out about that. So, let's get started. SPECIAL special DAYS days INNOURRLIVS lives. Special days in our lives. What are the special days in our lives? They are birthdays, wedding in the family, or anniversaries. These are the special days, isn't it? So some days are special. SPECIAL special. We celebrate them by wearing our best dresses and eating tasty food. CELEBRATE celebrate. What is the meaning of celebrate, children? Celebrate means enjoy. Celebration means enjoying. Okay. So some days will be special in our lives, and what we do on that special day, we will celebrate them by wearing the new dresses, or what are the best dress you have, you wear on that day, and you will enjoy, isn't it? And also we eat the tasty food on that special day. We also meet with our friends and family. Yes, we also meet and wish our friends, and we feel very happy, isn't it? So next is happy birthday. What is birthday? Birthday is a special day of our life, isn't it? So can you guess which is Millie and Joy's favorite day of the year? Yes, it is their birthday. So what is your favorite day of the year, children? Of course, our favorite day will be our birthday. Why? Because on that day we'll get the gifts, and we have the family gathering, and also with the friends we enjoy it a lot. Yes. So Joy and Millie's favorite day is their birthday. On this day, Joy and Millie's mom bakes the cake, big cake, and they have a good time with their family and friends. So on this day, Joy and Millie's mom, she will bake a big cake, and what they do, they will have good time with their friends and family. So usually we will also enjoy this day a lot, isn't it? The best thing of the birthday is we get the gifts, isn't it? And we will be excited to open that. Next is wedding in the family. What is wedding? WEDDING, wedding. Wedding means shadi. So if any wedding will be there in the family, what you do, you enjoy it a lot. Why? Because on that day you will wear the new dresses, and you will meet your cousins, you have the tasty food, isn't it? So that is why we love the wedding in the family. So here Millie loves it when there is a wedding in the family. She can dress up in her best clothes. So why Millie loves wedding in the family? Why? Because she loves to dress up in her best clothes. And Joy thinks weddings are fun, as he can meet his cousins. So why Joy loves a wedding in the family? Why? Because he thinks that it is very fun, as he can meet his cousins, and there is a lot of good food to enjoy. Next, ANNIVERSARES anniversaries. ARERSPECIAL special. What is his anniversary, children? Let's find out. Every year, the family celebrates grandma and grandpa's wedding anniversary. It is the day on which they got married. So anniversaries means on that special day, if anyone get married, so they will celebrate that year as a, that day as a anniversary. Okay. So every year, the family of Millie and Joy, they celebrate their grandpa and grandpa's wedding anniversary. Shadi ki salgira we say in Urdu. So it is the day on which they got married. Millie and Joy enjoy making cards and gifts for them to make them feel special. So how they enjoy Millie and Joy? They will make the gifts and cards for grandma and grandpa, and they will make them feel very special on that day. So in this way, they enjoy this special day. Okay. So in our lives, what are the special days that we celebrate with the family and friends? They are the birthdays, wedding, and anniversaries. Next, fill in the blanks below to note 2 dates that are special to you and your family. So here there are 2 blanks given. You have to fill that, and what you need to do is you should note 2 dates that are special to you and your family. Like my birthday is on. So when is your birthday? You have to mention here. Write the date. Next, a special date which my family celebrates is on dash. So which is a special date in which your family celebrate, you have to mention that also. Okay. Here, what are some special days that you celebrate and how do you celebrate them? Tell your friends and class. So due to the pandemic, we can't discuss it with the friends. So you need to discuss it with your parents. Okay. What you have to discuss? You have to discuss your special days and how you celebrate that special days. You have to discuss with your parents in English. Okay. Next, festivals are fun, isn't it? What are the festivals, children? Festivals are nothing but in Urdu we say Eid. Okay, so what are the different festivals that are celebrated in India? Let's find out that. Okay, so there are days that are special to a group of people. Okay, festivals means it will be special for group of people, like Muslims. For whole Muslims, their special day will be Bakri Eid and Ramzan Eid, isn't it? So this Eid we will celebrate with a group of people, isn't it? That is why we call it as the festivals. These days are called festivals. Let us read about some more important festivals in India. Okay, so first is Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells. What is this? Can you guess the festival, children? Yes, it is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. So Christmas, it is a festival of Christians, children. Like we are Muslims, there will be Hindus also. Muslims, Hindus, Christians, these are different people who live in India, and different people celebrate different festivals. So Christmas is the festival of Christians. Okay, Christians are nothing but like we are Muslims, they are also Christians. So they will worship Jesus Christ. We will worship whom? Allah Ta'ala. Muslims worship Allah Ta'ala, and these Christians, they will worship Jesus Christ. Okay, and their festival is Christmas. Our festival is Eid. Okay, so Christmas is celebrated on every 25th December. Okay, and Jesus Christ was born on this day. People go to the church to pray. They also eat cakes. Children wait for gifts from Santa Claus. So on this day, what they will do, they will go to the church to pray. And this day is actually 25th December every year is celebrated as the Jesus Christ birthday. Okay, so Jesus Christ was born on this day. Jesus Christ is the God of Christmas. Sorry, Christians. So they celebrate this day as his birthday. People go to the church on that day, and they will pray, and they will eat cakes and all, and also they will wait for the gifts from the Santa Claus. So in this way they enjoy this Christmas. Okay, who? Christians. Next festival is Festival of Lights. So can you guess which festival we are talking about? Festival of Lights, it is nothing but the Diwali, isn't it? We Muslims also, we enjoy that festival a lot by burning the crackers. So Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi, light diyas and eat sweets on this day. So this day, how they celebrate means on this day they will light the diyas and they eat sweets on this day, and they pray to Goddess Lakshmi. So their god, Hindus god is Lakshmi. Okay, and they pray to this god, and they will light the diyas and they will eat sweets on this day. Some people burst crackers. What are crackers, children? Crackers means fireworks. All that patakhe we say in Urdu. So we burst that crackers, and the loud noise of crackers scares Ruff. So Millie and Joy burst crackers only at the park away from their home. So by the loud noise of those crackers, this Ruff is the pet of Joy and Millie. He gets scared usually by that. So what Millie and Joy do, they will burn the crackers only in the park away from the home. So in this way the Hindus will celebrate the Diwali festival. So we'll catch up in the next video, children, with the last part of this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.